My name is Weldon Loewen. I'm proud to have been working in the construction industry all my life. While seeking out better building practices, I attended a trade show in Saskatchewan and found the product that I've been looking for. In 2020, I designed and built my own house with Greenstone ice panels. I was really impressed with the ease of construction. With high insulation value, no thermal bridging, limited construction waste, and speed of construction. I'm looking forward to learning about your next project and achieving your building goals. And I bet you'll be as impressed with the Greenstone ice panels as I was.